Counsel, is there any significant respect in which your position departs from that of the Solicitor General?
No, Your Honor. The only argument that we make before the court here that the Solicitor General has not advanced is that this is a law that fails under any standard of review, that it is so discontinuous with the asserted interest in protecting children and therefore fails under any standard. But we think, as the Solicitor General made clear in her remarks, that it is clearly a sex classification on its face and should be resolved on that basis and remanded for the Sixth Circuit to apply that standard in the first instance.
Is there anything you would like to add, and maybe there isn't, but with respect to the Solicitor General's responses to my concern that this is unlike a case like Craig versus Bourne, unlike a case like Morales, and those where it was quite clearly simply stereotyping with respect, can men have the same rights as women with respect to adoption and the liquor laws. This does strike me, whatever you think about the disagreements between where Europe was some years ago and where Europe is now, where Europe is, where the United States is, in that it is quite a distinct type of inquiry that involves medical expertise, predictive judgments in the medical area than in those cases?
I don't dispute, Mr. Chief Justice, that at the application of heightened scrutiny, there will be particular considerations that involve the underlying medical evidence, as there always is. But I don't think that it would break new ground to apply heightened scrutiny here. The purpose of applying heightened scrutiny has been because, in part, we don't know at the outset whether a classification is benign. And many justifications for sex-based differential treatment in law were defended on the ground of biological differences and were upheld by the court under a rational basis. And the role of heightened scrutiny is not to make sex a proscribed classification. It is just to shift the burden to the state to show their work and show that, in fact, this is a law that substantially advances an important governmental interest.